Good morning, guys. So welcome to Trading with Dan. This is my eToro update. So yeah, quickly over to my eToro positions. You can see that I had a gold long on that I was pretty much trapped in when we had that dump. But I was pretty certain we would rally back, so I basically scratched that trade. So we're out of that trade and currently basically flat, all apart from just that investment there. So we are looking to find some new trades based on our indicator at the moment. So if we go over to the ES, this is the S&P. We actually got our DMT buy trade around here, so we could have entered a long, which did go up quite a bit from that point, a good 100 S&P points. We then also, what we had before that was a buy. Well, I say it was before, it's pretty much at the same time. It doesn't actually happen too often that we get them at the same time. But we also did get a buy here based on the 15 minute and then a sell here. If we go over to the 25 minute, because this is the chart where we use the Dominator here, we actually got the buy around here. So that was a pretty good level to buy. And then the sell we got basically on this spike up candle here, so that wouldn't have been working too well for you, but we are actually turning back round to a buy in the Dominator now, so that is looking potentially bullish. We'll see what happens there with the ES. I am more looking for shorts here, so what I am looking for is for this to maybe come to a buy on this move up and then revert back to a sell, or the DMT to give us a sell, which this is coming up, so our sell will probably only be around 3,000-ish level, so it's not too far away from the market with the volatility that we have. Right, so over to oil. Oil, we got a 15-minute DMT buy trade, and that is currently just sitting at the base of the market level. Our 25-minute Dominator got us a great buy signal down here, around $46. I mean, the market did come down a whole dollar, but then proceeded to go up at $2.50. So, and then we actually got the sell trade around here, and the sell trade's not working out too well at the moment. If you had taken that 25-minute sell trade, so we'll just give this market some time to digest its price action. Gold. So yeah, so we're now in a 15-minute. Sorry, this is the 25-minute chart. Sorry, over to the 15. Yeah, so we did get the buy on the close of that candle there at 16.23. So I was long gold already, so I didn't take that trade. But if I wasn't already long gold, I would have been looking to take that trade because I did want to be long gold. Hence the reason I was long gold. And this is looking quite a bullish formation. So I would expect a bit more of a move up, but we'll see what happens. 25-minute Dominator on this. Gave us a buy signal pretty much at the same time actually. It was a pretty vicious move up, so we also got a buy here which you could have been in, and then we did get the 25-minute sell around here, and then a few buys and sells as we're chopping around here, but also a good sell up here. So we have so this just shows to the efficacy of this 25-minute Dominator. So basing this on the 25-minute Dominator, the DMT is what we use on the 15-minute time frame. That gave us a sell around this level here before obviously we came back down, and then gave us a buy at this level here before the big rally up. So you can see that does work well, and we are now in a buy trade, so potentially plenty more upside to come. The dollar index, this is the 15-minute DMT, so we are approaching a buy in this dollar index, so this could be something I'm actually looking to get a buy trade in. We did get the 15-minute Dominator gone to a buy, and hopefully the 25-minute Dominator probably, yeah, 25-minute Dominator is coming around towards a buy. So I think that coupled with the 15-minute Dominator DMT we could be getting a bit of a rise back again with the dollar index here. So that is one that we've got on our radar. US dollar, Japanese yen, 25-minute chart. You can see we're actually going to turn to a Dominator buy here. I don't know. This is more sustained price action at around these levels than we had been getting with this constant downtrend. So this could potentially be a point where we will retrace up. So we could be looking at a buy here actually in the dollar yen, and the 15-minute DMT is shown as a buy basically over 108. and has already gone into a buy in the 15-minute dominator. So this market could be looking for a retrace now. So we could be looking for a buy in this dollar yen. Then a euro, a Japanese yen. This is the 15-minute DMT. DMT didn't give us the greatest buy trade, but you could have been out of it for a profit if you were just sort of scalping these markets, because I did take this buy trade, scalp the market, take the sell trade, scalp the market, and we could have taken this buy trade for a quick scalp in the market again as well. So that is looking good on the Dominator 15-minute, the DMT 15-minute for the Euro Japanese yen. And yeah, so again over to the Dominator, just turn into a buy here, but this market is not necessarily going very far, so we could wait to see whether we do break up. I mean, we are in a tightening range here, look, basically ever so slightly lower highs, higher lows, so you would maybe expect a breakout in a direction soon for this. So yeah, so we're going to be monitoring these. The things I'm eyeing up the most are the buy in the dollar yen, and the buy in the actual dollar index, which I guess they're both basically long dollar. So we are looking for a retrace in the dollar here. They're the trades I'm eyeing up. Oil, I mean, I'm not in the long trade, but I will be looking to maybe resell this and resell the S&P if we start to look weak again. So they are what I'm looking at with our indicators at the moment, looking for the next trade. The trades I'm eyeing up are short S&P, short oil, long dollar, and your long US dollar, Japanese yen. So so thanks for listening, guys. So remember, it's not a financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do want to look at some of my other YouTube videos, I basically run an automated bot strategy, so I can show you this over here. Basically this is through Bitcoin, and this is the deal history. So these are 10 trades so far. Are there 10? Yeah, 10 trades so far. So we had a loser, a winner, this was a break even, a winner, a loser, a winner, a winner. This is basically a break even, a winner, and a winner. So this is currently in a good amount of profit for this automated trading bot that we're running for Bitcoin over here. And I'm gonna set up some more for Ethereum as well today, and do a tutorial on how to set this up. So if you guys use Bitmex and 3 commas and you trade crypto, it would be very interesting for you to have a look at. So thanks for listening, guys, and I will speak to you guys later.